we'll just leave it at that. We're going to organize these, so check it out. Alien Space Savers, as you've seen on one of the latest shorts. And a newer to us from Harbor Freight. I think it's a 15-piece general service set or something like that. Or a hydraulic service set, some shit like that. We had used a 32 in conjunction with that air hammer bit and a big snap-on air hammer to take off this BMW fan clutch pulley. It worked great first time, and to be honest, it left a little tiny scuff mark down there, but that was it. So this set has earned its place. It's going to go right in here because so far it goes hand in hand with that. We're going to use Alien Space Saver's finest, the wrench organizers, and organize these wrenches. Stay tuned on this one. Alright, so first we're going to start with, I guess, removing this giant ugly box from the drawer. Set it below me on the cat workbench or detailing cart, whatever you want to say. So if it's shaky, I'm sorry. We're on that little cheap handheld bipod for now. Yeah, Alien Space Savers are wicked nice for that reason. So. Alrighty. I guess we'll start like that. I don't know. Go ahead and rip your set open and get yourself a few wrenches. So, as you see like that, they would take up a lot of room in a drawer. And I see a lot of people set the wrenches down or lay them down like this. We're actually waiting to get some more Alien Space Savers wrench organizers to organize the 54 inches wrench tour. Now we got these, so you're gonna have to stay tuned for that tour as well. That'll be an updated 2025 toolbox tour. And if you don't know already or haven't seen, go ahead and if you want to give us a like and a subscribe. It helps out if you really want to know what's new and in depth as far as new tools, new trending tools, just new specialty tools and things like that in general that most people wouldn't think about having or using, or ways to use their tools, whatever, you know. Go ahead and get yourself a membership and you will see everything before anyone else. You will get a whole week to view posts or whatever the case may be. Okay, yeah, it's gonna work. Cool. So, honestly, I guess we could keep these pretty tight together. So there is number 20. And from there, you just move onward. It's really not a hard concept to get. Sometimes when you're new, they're a little stiffer, so you just have to work with it some. Try and stagger what colors I have left. Now, unlike most videos, this one will not get sped up. You're going to watch this just as I'm doing it and get the idea as to what it takes or how long it takes. And mind you, these are fully customizable. So as you see, you can just kind of slide them whichever way you please to make them a little tighter fit or a little looser fit, depending on what you may prefer in your wrench drawer when you open it and close it. I don't like to hear clanging and banging around, so I usually will keep them kind of snug. I think we might get lucky enough to get this whole set in here, so that'd be cool. And at first I didn't think I would make a whole set on a rail, but now I'm thinking I might just make it. So there's that portion of the set, I do believe. We'll just go ahead and load them down while we're here. And I have seen some people go as far as staggering them. Yeah, I wouldn't complain about that at all. So I'll go ahead and get the rest of this set open. And I believe we should have enough organizers to do them all. So we'll get rid of that. Yeah. If you're here, if you're watching still, you guys are real MVPs, so thank you. We're just going to keep rolling through. We should be 29. Yeah, here's 30. So, going to keep right on rolling through. We should have enough room to put our whole set in there. I guess it misses or skips 31, whatever. Those awkward sizes are the ones I like to have, just because you do run into times when you need them. So it's good to have them. The all famous 33, it's a good one to have. Most definitely a good one to have. You know, I think we're going to make it. There it is, guys. 36 millimeter. We got them all in. Now, if I really wanted to get anal about it, I could move them back and utilize that last 1/4 inch, but usually I will just take a spare peg and put it right at the very back, just in case I were to go up against the edge of the toolbox. That way I'm not scratching anything. But there you have it, just like that. The whole icon, or not icon, that'd be cool though. The whole service wrench set. I don't even know if the case has a name on it or not. No, I don't. It's this big old dumb bland case. So you see how much room that saved. Still have 2 pieces to spare for, you know, maybe I want to decide to throw this air hammer bit back here just to remind me that those two go hand in hand. Whatever. But for now, you guys see it. That's part partially how this drawer is going to be laid out. Not sure what else to put up in here as far as general hand tools. Those are actually going to go over to the big box, probably. Those hammers are waiting to die. OEM tools off of Amazon. I've had them since like 2016, I don't know. They were my first hammer set. Soft face, dead blow hammer, whatever. So that's that. Your Harbor Freight 15-piece, I believe, hydraulic service set, something like that. There it is, though. I mean, Alien Space Savers saved. We were somewhere at the bottom. Well, the middle of this drawer, honestly, because they're not very deep. There you have it, guys. Alien Space Savers. 15-piece wrench set went from this big ugly box to that far back corner of the drawer. It takes up like 10 inches of space. They stick out about 8 inches at best versus a 16-inch wide by a 12-inch deep case. That is trash, but we're going to keep the case, probably hide it under the toolbox or something somewhere, just in case we ever have to return them. We at least have that. That way I'm not carrying back just a bag full of wrenches to give them. Oh, well, that is that. Stay tuned for the tour of the U.S. General Series 3. I'm going to call it Royal Blue 56-inch double bank toolbox. Until then, stay classy, guys, and keep on wrenching. Yo Tech out.